All right, Matt. Matt over here at All American Firearms just got this Berthier. It's actually my Berthier, but right out of Ethiopia and to the Royal Tiger Imports warehouse and to the FFL here. That's what it looks like. Let's see if we can focus, because it doesn't want to focus. 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 All right, we're putting the rifle in the light here. Take a look at it. It's pretty dirty on the outside, so it definitely needs a good cleaning. That is, you could tell that it's just gunky. So probably some powder residue. There's surface rust on the metal.
Looks like it's been slightly used.
But it doesn't look like it's been wire wheeled or wire wheeled too badly. It still looks like there's some finish on there if we cleaned it up, which is great. Now, a little closer here towards the barrel, you could definitely tell that there probably was wire wheeling. Definitely was some wire wheeling that happened. Or maybe just corrosion and they just, didn't get all of it off, because there's some rust still there, but very shiny metal and rust spots still. So could have been really rusty down here by the barrel. On this side, you can see that the condition of the receiver is still about the same. It's got the factory mark Etienne MLE1907/15. That's the model. And there's your rear sight. Doesn't look too bad, not too shabby. Sling swivel, or sling ring, not too bad. Trigger guard area, right here. We are looking at the chamber and looking at the magazine well and the action. Pretty gunky. Looks like it was somewhat clean, but still pretty gunky. This is looks like there's some residue of some goat fur, some goat poop, some chicken poop, some chicken pee, some goat pee, some rat pee, probably some bug eggs, some spider webs. Yeah, definitely pretty gunky in there. All right, Matt, what do you think? Is the bore gonna look like a sewer, or is it gonna look like it's got lands and grooves? What do you think?
Probably look horrible.
Okay, let's take the bore light in there. Let's see what we got. Do we have lands and grooves? Okay, it's dark in there, but there are lands and grooves. There are, so it just probably needs a pretty good cleaning. And they do cleaning services here at All American Firearms, and they also do gunsmithing services. Overall, I think that this rifle is probably going to be shootable. It just needs a lot of cleaning. So if you like project rifles, this is a pretty decent project rifle from World War I. The Berthier long rifle here, an 8mm Lebel. If you like this kind of content, be sure to pulverize that like button and subscribe if you haven't. It really helps out with the channel, and I appreciate you guys. Look forward to sharing more history with you. Catch you on the next video. As always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.